What's up? Hey, what's up everybody? It's day 4 of car camping. This is where I stayed last night. It's the Mandalay Bay RV parking on like overflow. There was like a bunch of RVs here last night. So yeah, it's a pretty chill spot to park for the night. Had no trouble, but as you might be able to hear there's an airport right nearby. So between like, I don't know exactly what time, maybe like 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the morning, there's no airplanes, but before and after that, you're gonna hear some airplanes. Other than that, it's not too bad. Didn't really hear any other noises, so it's pretty good. And it's right next to the strip. It's like one of the only free places you could park, and you could park overnight. You do it on the down low. Alright, so I think I'm gonna head out to Red Rock. It's Monday now, so I think I could probably get a camp spot there and actually have a real camp spot tonight, so I could like post up. So yeah, I'm gonna see what's up over there and then probably do the hiking trail at Red Rock also today. Let's do it. Holy smokes. Even on a Monday morning, there's a ton of people here. Did you guys have to go to work or something? Let's see if I could get a spot. Yeah, so I know I already said it, but damn, I'm amazed. Every single spot is full on a Monday morning. What the heck? What the heck? So yeah, now most Walmarts don't even allow you to camp at them anymore. So, gotta be respectful of our privileges. Check out my hat that I got last night. Had a few toddies on the strip. Decided to get myself an American flag hat. And I saw this one with the trees. I'm like, yeah, it just fits me perfectly. How's it look, guys? Just keep my hair back. Nice view of the red rocks. I was gonna do a little hike through these red rocks here, but dang, I did a lot of walking yesterday on the strip. Maybe I'll just do some driving around the red rocks. See if there's any cool roads around here to check out. Oh man, he's so cute. Really want to give him some trail mix, but it's not good for wild animals. Make them dependent on people. That's not what they're supposed to be doing. They're so freaking cute. Oh my god, look at him. It's so cute. Oh, I'm sorry. Can't have my trail mix though. I know, you're really, really cute. The colors on those trees. Purdy, purdy.
How are you? Oh, they all ran.
See if we can make it up where that guy's at. Top of the big old boulder. Be a good view up there, I bet. Looks like people use this rock for rock climbing practice. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it up there. Oh well. Beautiful.
Is every bit of day. said it's good, there goes the onside.
It really is. Okay, good.
Looks exciting. Especially if you're scared of heights like me.
Alright, Scott, you got this, dude. Unpull trigger.
Send it! Yeah!
Yeah! Keep moving those feet up. The longer you spend on that thing, the worse it gets.
Let's go.
No, I'm not leaning.
Yeah, Jane. You ready?
Yeah.
How did it feel the second time?
We're over here at this place called Bonnie Springs. It's like this old ghost town here. It's really out in the middle of nowhere, but there's probably about 24 cars out here checking it out. Miner's Restaurant. Doesn't look like that's been open for a little bit. Yeah, it's just this real small old ghost town here. Pretty neat. In the middle of nowhere. Wax Museum. Here's where they do the hangings, I would imagine. Here's the Marshall Opera House. So here's the hanging station up close. It's a little bit trippy. It seems like it's like real or really set up to possibly work. But yeah, there's the deck right there that opens up. And then right here, there's these cables that go through to these pulleys that are gonna be hard to see. But yeah, that opened the freaking trap door. Dang, it's kind of trippy. If it's actually ever been used. I don't really know if this is a real ghost town or what the deal is with it. Walking through here, you're starting to think this place is actually kind of a legit ghost town here. Could tell by the construction of these buildings that yeah, there ain't nothing modern about this. Check it out. Looks like styrofoam. Probably got some asbestos up in that. Yeah, weird. Pretty cool. Some old mining equipment. Yeah, maybe this was a real mining town. Check out this thing. It's like a super old generator. Those are like the pistons up there. I don't know if it was wood burning or how it worked. But damn, look at that belt. Huge belt. And there's like this shaker table here. I can't imagine this big old generator thing just to move a shaker table though. There's probably gotta be a little more to it. I almost thought it was fake for a minute. It's a turtle on another turtle's back. They must be best friends. Aww. Look what happens when you put some water out in the desert. You get a bunch of happy ducks. Happy turtles. That's pretty cool. I think a Bag that size, please. Arizona. I don't know about Arizona. Some of that desert weed. Check out all these different kinds of glass. Pretty trippy. I thought glass was a completely man-made thing, but I guess you could find glass too. Got a bunch of it over here. I'm at Joe's cactus shop. Oh, look, here's like some turquoise glass stuff. And that one looks like peanut butter. See something new every day. $900 for this guy right here. Dang. $11.50 for this one. You get myself into the cactus business. Get myself a piece of land out in the middle of nowhere for damn near nothing. Start printing up these cactus. Like printing dollar bills. Let's see if anybody ever buys them, but I bet they take a long time to grow. For that price, they must take a long time. I guess they sell them without the dirt too, bare root style. $600 for that one. These big old buttons. But those guys are expensive too. Joe's Cactus Farm. Pretty cool. This German Shepherd is a beast. Oh, that was a good catch. He never misses. Good dog.
Vlogging every day.
Daily OC swag on
Daily
that.
vlogging, can't stop him.
Daily OC.
Cause he vlogging every day.
Daily OC.